guys can do the thing no matter what you're doing, no matter what's going on. I believe you guys can get it done. How are you all doing today? Today is Sunday. It's a good Sunday. At this time of going, my episode 37 of Haskell is gonna drop at 12:30. So yeah, everything is going really good. So what is going on today? So nothing much. StarCraft is going great. I need one more win of the day to start doing ranked. So I'm gonna start streaming that on Active Fireball. I'm pretty excited for that. What else? Nothing much. So what did we get done last episode? Last episode, what we did was we made sure, we went through again all of the possible scenarios for memory addresses, right? And we made a dictionary about it. And so this way, and then we had a dictionary, and then we had a translation layer that'll take actually what's written on the text file and to get their effective address. Hello, yes, I know I'm live. Thank you for letting me know. I love my little unicorn. It's so fucking fugly. I love it. So basically, here's the translation layer that basically gets the effective address, and we'll change it into something that matches one of this, and then we'll get back what we need. So it's really cool. So that's where we are. There's a few things I want to show you because I think you guys will like this more since it's that programming guide. Take a look at this. It is a fidget spinner with the planetary gear set. I think that's really cool. This is 3D printed. Say 2 days ago, I went with my wife to Makerspace, at Marysville, and they had one of these, and I'm like, this is really cool. And actually, I think an aeronautical engineer thought of this and he made it. I'm like, that's cool. I don't have the skills to make one of these. I could get the skills to make one of these, but I don't have the skills to make one of these because I have no idea how gears fucking work, how to program the gears, how to print it out. That's so crazy. But no, this is really cool. I mean, probably I think it would be a cool idea if you could get some heavier ball bearings in here, but it spins really well. And if you really try, you can also get it to work on the other gear, which is really bad. Can I get this to work? Ah, there we go. You can do that. I don't know. It's just, this is really quite cool. So yeah, fidget spinner, guys. A really cool one as well. I like it, and it just sounds nice. It actually has some nice sound to it, you know. I don't know if you can hear that or not. But it has some nice sound to it. This is a really good fidget spinner. It's pretty good. What else? I want to show you this little sticker. Thick boy. It's really cool. Alright, and just to show, I saw this Mega Man EXE dabbing sticker, which is awesome. Alright, so, where the fuck's my pen? God damn it. Where did it go? Where the fuck is my pen? There it is. Alright, there we go. Found the one. So, we ended off, as I said, the translation layer. So let's say we basically lower it, and we start basically returning null for everything. So basically test all address modes that don't start with a hash. This is why comments are good, because you come back to the code and you're like, fuck, where was I? What is all this for? Yay, code. I'm glad code. Right? And here's the thing, you know, if people started watching this, they might be like, oh my god, it's so unoptimized, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, I don't care if it's optimized or not. I just want to have fun with it and make it work. I should have brewed some more coffee. I still have plenty of stuff in this. So, also I should probably stream not on a Saturday or Sunday, but I don't have other times to do it right now. Test for all address modes that don't start with a hash. Cool. So we have DA, negative, and a hash. And I like how the hash here. Okay, go me. If it starts with a hash. So don't start with a hash. I like how that's there. Else if you start with a hash, do lowercase null. get the lowercase defective address, trim off the left parenthesis, trim off the right parenthesis, split on the comma. If it's 1, so that, or that. We test for if it's 1, test for if the last one is plus, if the last one is W, if the last one is L, or the first is A, which is all of these. Then we do this. So we do a, if effective address parts is 1, do stuff, and then that's where I ended off. So, wonderful. So if we trim off left and right, we have 2. Yes, I know, thank you. Chiroptical, if you're watching, thank you so much. You're awesome, dude. Alright, oh my god, I should have had some coffee. So now where we ended off was, now we have 2. So, oh my god, I can't type right now. Else, if effective address parts dot count, not count, length is equal to 2. Else, if effective address parts dot length is equal to 3, not 34, 3. And then we have a else throw new, oh god, I don't know, logic? Is it, that's usually like a logic exception. Throw new logic exception, you fucked up. There, you fucked up. So if we're 2, so the first will be D. So I know the first, so basically it's the last. So basically get this, AN or PC. So if number 2 contains AN or number 2 contains PC or equals AN or PC. So now we have if effective address parts 0, 1 dot equals AN, like that. No, Windows, don't fucking update. You will die in a fire if you update right now, because I need to see my chat. If that equals AN, return null. Else, if effective address parts 0, 1 equals PC. I should have an else right here. Else. I'm going to regret this later, but I don't care. Throw new exception. You done fucked up. Okay, now here's a question. Let's say it is hash, right? Gonna get in there if D, if A, or if minus. Yeah, I should put this back here. Even though my comment was wrong, that should go back. Because now I can do that. But no, I can't throw an exception here anyway, can I? No, I can't. Because what'll happen is... Uh-oh. There we go. Because what'll happen is if I get like this, one of these, well, I'm going to test for that, and that. Alright, so... Oh, I know what I'm doing. I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass. I remember what I was doing. Else if... The idea is that if I get to the bottom... If I get to the bottom and I still haven't returned yet, so I'm going to have the exception right here. So, if AN or if PC return null, then we have 3. We have AN or PC. So basically just try on this as well. So 0 and 1. So it's basically the same exact test we did here. 0 and 1. It's the same thing. So really, there we go. Sorry, I'm gonna do some. So, somebody I follow who does StarCraft, his name is Penguin, and he's on a tournament right now, which is pretty cool. So I want to see if I can find him. I totally forgot though. Grant SC. Haha, cool, wonderful. Is Penguin playing yet? Nope, because there's an ad. That's cool. All right, so now we have the translation part. We have all of the logic, basically. And this is now returnal. So if we get to this point, throw new exception, you done fucked up. There you go. You done Funk vs. Mamba. No, Penguin hasn't done yet. That's fine. Funk vs. Mamba. Okay. So now, basically, if you start with a D, return DN. If you start with A, return AN. Oh, an effective address. Return addressing modes DN. There we go. Oh, fuck, right, because we're in C#. There we go. Addressing modes AN. It's almost like a factory, almost. It's actually what we're making is almost like a factory, isn't it? Negative AN, right? Now, the question is, will any of this be tested? No, not really. Should it be tested? Yes. Am I going to test it? No. So I'm also going back to work on Wednesday. So that'll be really interesting to see what happens with that. By the way, if you guys want to watch this, there is my fidget spinner. And there is Thick Boy. And there is Mega Man. Let's move the pen out of the way so you can see all of that. Because I know you guys want to see all that wonderful shit. This is from Lethargic Waldo. He's a pretty cool dude. Follow him if you want to. Because he's awesome. Punk vs. Maramba. Alright, so addressing modes. And then now, if you have a plus, do that. There we go. Two Ds. I love how there's syntax highlighting. I remember coding without syntax highlighting. Like, you can still code without syntax highlighting. It's totally possible. It's just so different. But I've also read that there's a lot of people as well who now, they don't really know how to code unless there's syntax highlighting and IntelliSense, which is actually kind of sad. It's like, you should be able to code at least well without syntax highlighting and IntelliSense. At least I think so. Maybe that's just me. Because I started out with it. So it's like, back in my day, we did this. We weren't some pussies. There we go. So much easier. Oh, no, I have to separate these out, don't I? Yeah, I do. So why is there like, why is an array length and why is like a linked list count? Why can't it also be count? Why does it have to be so damn confusing? Actually, technically, this can actually be tested quite well, actually, to make sure we always get back the same thing, to make sure there's no bugs. I'm probably I'm shooting myself in the foot by not testing, but I don't care. Like, I know everybody's all like, testing. Like, this is my own project. I can do what the fuck I want. You don't have to talk to me. I can do what I want. Sorry, I just got finished listening to it's a teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini, whatever the hell that's called. That song's called. It's cute. Okay. All right. Kind of want some coffee. Fuck. Oh well. Maybe it's the food. I think I also maybe had too much food. Meh. Anyway. So. Now that we have this whole term translation thing going, which looks gross, but it works. I could refactor it later. We have all this done. So now, when I had to get addressing modes, I have to make an addressing modes class. It's not static. Whatever. Alright, stickers are going back, guys. I hope you enjoyed them. So. Oh, I should also open up, Oh, he's talking right now, so I have to come back to this. I mean, I guess I can just, you know, be a dumbass and do that. There you go. Look at me being a dumbass. Sweet. Alright, so let's move this over so I can see. There we go. There's my chat. Wonderful chat. I can see you guys if you decide to do things. Okay, so now that we're here, we have an add, which is an I instruction. I guess I could make it an abstract class. That might be a better idea, to make this an abstract class instead of a non-abstract class, or instead of an interface. I should really know what page this adds on, huh? There we go. Add. Sweet. Awesome. All right, so now we have add. So we have the register, op mode, and effective address. So we have register, op mode, register. This is the effective address. All right, so now we are going to get the instruction, which is going to look cool. So we have, first thing we need to do is we need to go, is the source the effective address, or is that the effective address? And then we have the attributes, so byte, word, or long. And because I'm crazy, I can do an add byte. Or add dot b. I believe I did that. Let's see what I did in main, shall we? Program, no, fuck up. Program, there we go. Make the instruction factory, blah, 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 instruction factory, get instruction. Oh, add and add binary. Okay, so we have add and add binary. Okay, cool. So, we do a get instruction. So we add or add binary, which is totally fine. So add binary. Cool. I don't know why I'm giving myself more work to do though. That's fine. Add and add binary. So we get the add. So we already have the whole entire thing. But we're given the whole entire instruction. So this is going to be add binary. I don't know. I see B or byte. L, W or word. L or long. Awesome. Oh, no one's chatting with me. That's fine. It might be my wife who's being sweet. Oh my god, I should make sure to have coffee when I do this because I can't think right now. So now we have the instruction, right? So we have add binary. These are space delimited. So this would be B. All right, so I guess the first thing to do is instruction parts. String array. Split on a space. Cool. Fuck you. Happy now? Return null. Punk? No. Penguin's not playing yet. That's fine. Alright, split on that. So I've add binary or add. I have B. So this is the B is the operand. Add B, source destination to the destination. So this add dot B, all this stuff right here we're looking for. So next is to determine at what are we do is the source the effective address or is the source the data register, right? So and I'll start with a D. So 0 is mnemonic. Can't really spell mnemonic off my head. 1 is size. 2 is either the EA or DN. So that will then be like effective address fields. I see. So basically 2 or 3, which is EA or DN. But I need all the addressing modes available to me. Okay, so cool. So I'm gonna build a string. So string to return. Get the instructions split. So we have BB or byte. So I need to basically go like this. Operand size is equal to there you go. Make a new one. Operand size is equal to operand factory dot get operand, which is a string instruction parts 1. There we go. Cool. 2 is EA or DN. So, so I could have a separate class because these are the addressing modes. All addressing modes are listed. Determines the addressing mode. So what is this called? Addressing mode family, I guess? I guess? I don't know. We'll just fucking go with it. Alright, so boom, done. If instruction parts 0, 1, 2, 0 is equal to D, that means source is a data register. Else so I'm assuming I'll do like add B D1 and then have a space, and this would be the effective address. Or I would have add B effective address D1. So I guess it's 1101, right? Let's just get the string going, right? String binary is equal to. Actually, technically, what I could do is I want to make this quicker. I'd actually probably just make a Boolean array of 15 and just set them to be true or false. That would actually be faster too, so we don't have to do string manipulation. I'm gonna use it. So the next thing we need is the register 11, 10, and 9. A register field specifies any of the 8 data registers. Op mode and then effective address. So the register is that. So the next thing is, let's not get the operand since we don't need that yet. No. No. There we go. Pa-pa-pa-da-pa-da. Pa-pa-pa-da-pa-da-da. Binary. There you go. So if the source is the data register, I need to, all right, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I need to address mode, effective address, operand size, conversions? I don't know. Conversion? Public. I'm just going to do public class right now since I'm everything else public class. Probably I should make this a static class instead. But oh well. Alright guys, so it is 11:30. I'm going to take a slight break. You can see some inception right here, which is fine. Let's make this bigger. Alright guys, I know my face is huge. However, I want to show you stuff. So that programming guide does have shirts you can purchase. They are great. They are with my logo on it, so I'm going to back up. This is what they look like. Let's go this way. It's great. It's wonderful. There would actually be something here that says by that programming guy, but I don't have that right now. This is a shirt I made before I added it. But this is how it looks. This is a small shirt. I'm a small. There's nothing on the back. So guys, if you want to support me, if you like the stream, if you like what you see, consider buying a t-shirt. They're great. They're wonderful. They're by Gildan, which is a very high, nice, high, good brand. I will show you where you can buy these. Oh, that's not what I want to move. Let's not move that. No. Fuck you, bitch. Okay, cool. So let me show you where you can buy these, right? So if you go to www.thatprogrammingguy.com, 2Gs, you'll get to here. This is actually my website. It's really cool. You can see my nice little horsey logo. You can actually click the picture. But here's all the stuff. Here's what I'm doing, and you can actually like click on project description. It'll bring you here. It's really cool. Anyway, so if you click on the picture, it brings you straight to my merchandise website, store. Brings my store, so you can buy a men's shirt or women's shirt. There will be white eventually. Select your size, how many you want. You can order 5 million if you want. Add to cart. It's added. Go here. Here's your cart. I'm not going to pay this much. But yeah, and then once you decide what you want, confirm. Go to checkout. And then boom, there we go. You can enter your email, shipping, payment, review, and purchase. And once you purchase your stuff, you should be getting your shirts in about 2 to 3 weeks. So if you're on YouTube, go ahead, do that. Link will be below. If you're watching on Twitch, yeah, if you want to support me, if you want to tell me you like what you're doing, let me know. All right, so basically now we're in conversions, and we have to convert D1, D0 through D7 into their octal numbers. So basically just a giant if-else. If, oh, nope, public conversion to public conversion dot to binary string data register int if data register number is equal to 0, else one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You done fucked again. Ba 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 da. Damn it. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. If 0 string if 0 turn 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Alright, return 0 0 0. Ba, 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 da, ba, da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There we go. All right, so we make a conversion. Funk versus Mamba. Oh, that's not what I want. binary plus equal dot append. Oh shit, no. Just gonna do plus equals. I actually should use a string builder, huh? Two binary instruction parts 2 1 convert dot to int convert dot to int 32. Look at that instruction right there. Binary dot append converter dot to binary convert dot to int 32 instruction parts 2 1. Oh, don't you just off the top of your head you know what all this means? There we go. Do 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 do. Oh, shite. Boolean is source data register equals false. True. Otherwise, we have to do the same thing. But instead of being at 0, 1, 2, we need 3. There we go. Wonderful. God, I know I'm going to look at this and be like, what the fuck? What are you complaining about? Is the sign, but fuck. Oh, I see. I see, I get it. Alright, that's fine. Okay, so. There we go. Alright, so now we have the source. So now we have the register, which is here. The op mode, which we will assign. There you go. Byte, word, and long word. Conversions. Data register dot to binary. Public string. No, that's not gonna work. Data register to binary. All right, so we have that. Now we have the operand size, right? So if I go to there, so you have byte, word, or long word, and then we have to convert this to the integer. So op mode can either be 0, 1, 2, or 3, 4, and 5, depending on what it is. So I'm just gonna put this right now in the add method. I know this is gonna be really fucking long, but I don't know if other mnemonics will have the op mode the same way. So we're gonna do private get binary from op mode. This is gonna return a string. So we need the operand dot operand size dot operand size. And then we also need bool is source data register. Da, 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 da. If is source data register, then if operand size is equal to byte, else if operand size dot word, else if operand size dot fuck you. Oh yeah, operand size is equal to size dot long word. There we go. This is what I need. Oh boy. If source, oopsies, if source is the data register, else, there we go. No one talking to me yet. That's totally fine. Return, and we're using a byte, which is going to be 0, right? Yeah, byte. Oh no, it's 100. There we go. Return 101, right? And that's his return. Yep. And then 0, 1, and 2. Turn 0. Turn 1. Two. There we go. I know this is not the best way to do error handling, and I don't care right now, because I'm going to do it how I want, and I know I'm going to regret this decision so hard. Okay, so, instruction parts. Binary.append, we got the register. Now we have the operation mode factory, so we have binary.append, get binary from op mode, operand size is, there we go. Sweet. So append op mode append register. There we go. All right. So now we have the effective address. So I now have the if source data register else append the effective address. Append the effective address. Right, Lucy Lou? Come on, brain. Let's go. Let's do this. Stupid brain. Append the effective address. So now we have the effective address, right? And the effective address is the mode and the register. So now the question is, fuckity fuck. Effective address. Get register, right? We also need a converter here. Oh my god. Okay, so if mode is equal to 0, return, I need a conversion here. Using conversion. We're good. Return. Hey, Penguin's finally playing, guys. Awesome. Took him long enough. Well, I wish him luck. Penguin, if you're watching, I wish you luck, but I know you're not watching. So basically what I need to do is, now the question is, I need to return these numbers. So if addressing mode is 000, 001, 010, 01, so if it's 000, I need to... The mode is a string. I could, oh my god, I could do this. I could, in effective address, I could actually give it a converter. And then from there... in effective address, when you return it, you run the converter. But that won't work because these ones have a number. So basically, mode, I know, is 000. But I need to know the number, so I have to be able to convert it. And that's the problem. So if I do this, right? If we go to add... if the source is a data register, that means effective address is in number 2. So string address equal to 3. So now that I have that, right? There we go. Okay, effective address instruction 3, instruction parts 2. So now we have effective address. Now from there, we need to get the mode and data register. We can get the mode and data register really easily. Addressing modes. I need to make an addressing modes class. Ooh, how do I want to use this? There we go. So this is what I want to do. instruction parts 3. This is instruction parts 2. Yes, you exist. Fuck you. There we go. That's actually part 02. All right. So now that we're there, now that we need effective adjust, we can append the mode. We can get the mode really easily. We then have to append the mode onto it. Binary dot append mode, get mode. Now we have to convert because we have to get the register. So it means we have to convert things. So if it's null, we have to get it ourselves. So basically it is a if effective if you do not equal null, then binary dot append register. Else we need to get it ourselves. We need to get it ourselves. So if addressing mode is that or that or that, effective address is 0, 1, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4, 0, 1, or 4. Oh my god. So now we have to get the register. But we don't know what the register is. So I actually could put the register in here, which is actually, I think I actually might just put it in here. That's actually a better idea, huh? So this gives us the effective address, right? Oh, this will give us the effective address. To get addressing modes, this will give us the effective address. If it's D, then we also need to do the conversions. So we should do a... oh, but we can't... Hold on. So I can't do here, but I can add to it, can I? Okay, I don't have an add register, so I have to give it at the time I make it. But that might be a good idea. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. So we're going to make this conversion. La 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 la. There we go. So now we have it here. Now we have conversion. Program, go away. Instruction factor, go away. Where are you? This is what I need. If you are D, then I can go... really bad way to do this right now. This is going to be horrible. There. Oh, God. No. Okay, this is gonna mess up. So basically, I want to set the register. So I know what to do because I'm a dumbass. Set register, then we converter dot data register to binary. We have to give the data number, so convert dot to int 32. Lower case effective address 1. There we go. Return EA. There. So now we have it set up as well. So this is all done here. It looks fugly, and I don't like it. And I know I'm going to regret this in the future, and I just want to kind of get it done, but we'll see. I don't know. Anyway, everyone, it is noon. It is noon, not midnight. It is noon. What is it? Yeah. Lurkers who are lurking, thank you very much for lurking. Watchers who are watching, thank you so much for watching. Bots who are botting, thank you so very much for botting. What we got done today was we finished up the kind of converter. Finished in a little bit the converters from syntax to the effective address. So we could get the modes that we needed. And this way we didn't have to use kind of a giant if else. Even though I kind of did use a giant if else. So this is going to be interesting. We added more to the add instructions. So we now appended the start. We are able to append the data register. We are able to append the operand code, which on here, and now we're appending the effective address, so that's where we are now. The problem that we ran into was effective address only has the mode, but as you see from the instruction, we also need the register. So how do we get the register? We're just going to do the same thing. We're going to use the convert. We're going to use the converter.data register to binary, but I did not want to put it in the add class because other people are going to need this. Other classes are going to need to use it. So I could have added the converter here as well if I wanted to, but I'm not. So the next thing we're going to do next episode is we're basically going to be changing all of this to kind of this rigmarole, and hopefully God it works. Anyway, that's it. So you guys, if you want to watch more of me in 30 minutes, my episode 37 of Haskell will drop on my YouTube channel, so you can check that out. Otherwise, it's been fun. Guys, I love you, and I will see you all next week. Or if you want to see more of me on Monday, I do stream as Active Fireball at 8 in the morning. So yeah, love you all. Oh, sorry, one more thing. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I need to get used to this. Guys, if you're watching on YouTube, Give me thumbs up or give me thumbs down. No matter what thumbs you give me, let me know what you like or don't like about the show, because I want to know how I make stuff better. Go ahead, if you're on YouTube, go ahead, subscribe and push that bell button, man. You know you want to hear more of my sexy ass voice. But yeah, subscribe please. It lets me know that you are part of a community of people who know that learning is hard, and that's okay. Subscribing as well adds you to that community. Other people who want to help other people learn and get better. If you're on Twitch, go ahead, buy my shit. I have wonderful shirts. They're great. If you're on YouTube watching this, go down below, link to my website, buy some shirts, support me. I'm great, and you get a fucking awesome shirt in hand. Alright, now I promise, guys, I love you all. I'll see you all next week or tomorrow, whenever you watch me again. Bye.